Alarm off. Warning.
Turn the light on. Everything looks different.
Living room. Motion sensor. Not.
Be alright. It's not wet. It's slippery, but it's slippery because it's a lot of dust on it, a lot of sawdust. Once it's clean, it should be good. What else they do? Hold on. Let's see. Step on the yellow thing.
Huh?
So don't step on the yellow thing. They didn't do nothing in here.
Are they here? They here?
They were here. They were here this morning.
Are there cars here?
Huh?
Why are there cars? Was that not their cars?
No, man, where you see a car at? What's wrong with you? Oh, I got the damn camera blocking out the door. There we go. Make sure this is okay. See, it's not as slippery in here. Yeah, it's kind of. Yeah, it looks good, bro. I like it, nice and bright. When you walk in, like a baby mansion. You feel me?
Kinda like a safety hazard too.
Goddamn safety hazard. You know how many houses in the suburbs, big houses got these kind of floors? But I might just do carpet right here and then there, so that way, boom, they walk in, it's carpet right there, and then you know they can dry their feet off or whatever. Probably do like a dark carpet that way, a grayish dark gray carpet right there, and boom, as soon as they walk in, you know, dry their feet off. Be straight.
Look at this jive turkey. What's up? Like got all the The accent wall looking good, ain't it?
The blue?
The blue, nigga.
Yeah, I was just looking, I was almost gonna say, you should have did this right here. You should have did that gray you talking about putting right here. But that blue kind of go with this too.
Man, this is what I do.
I know it's cool. That's what I do.
But I think you should have did that gray.
Definitely not. It's just,
No?
no.
Or?
That's what. Then it wouldn't be an accent if I would have did it gray.
Oh.
Accent means opposite color of what's in the room.
Oh.
I can't teach you everything, my nigga. Hey, Dig, listen, I was thinking, you see the bathroom floor after they pulled up the peeling stick? I like this floor. You know, you gotta clean it, but I like the way that floor look. You feel me? You go good with that wood stuff. Watch out, man. Clear. You staring like you don't understand.
I see, but it's still old school, yeah.
It's not old school, it's Duke Town. I just looked at a mansion with this exact same floor. Through the whole thing.
Mm-hmm.
And it was a new build. This wasn't no old house. Nigga, that's fly. I think that's marble. I wish I had a rag so I could see.
If it really cleans up.
It's fly, nigga. It's white. It look brown now. Let me show you. Excuse me, sir.
I can see it's like this color. It's like
Exactly.
gray.
I
It's
might
like
tell you
gray.
to keep it because ain't none of them cracked.
You know, it's clean.
Huh?
You just have to hope it sounds clean.
Why wouldn't it come clean?
And they went over this.
That's crazy, ain't it? That's nice. It's gray. It matched this a little bit.
But this the area you really need to see. Oh,
Yeah,
out
over here, huh?
Over here. Probably could just
Oh, here we go. Right here. Rag.
do it like a water. Maybe in the basement.
There's water right here. Hold this. Sirs.
Wow. It's a stranger at the door.
How strange.
I don't know. I've never seen them before.
Where your brother?
Let's go to
Ain't no.
Ain't no bathroom. Ain't no toilet.
Ain't no toilet. What's in the basement? Come on. And stop leaving your brother. Don't touch the wall. It's wet. Come on. Like that, don't you?
Yeah,
I'm becoming a real YouTuber.
I see. I see this little gadget right here. You got like three devices working on this thing.
Well, two of them just lights. They done messed it up with the. I don't know what that is. I guess that's glue. Yeah, it's glue. Cause remember they had peeling stick on it.
Mm-hmm.
So it need some glue off. But nigga, you can't tell me that ain't fly.
Well, we need a machine that goes like a buffer machine that can come through and get that on.
Yeah, these is dope. I don't see the purpose of changing them. They ain't none of them cracked. They just
So we
dirty.
got to put the work and the labor in the cleaning versus the.
My son owe me $200. You had him do it.
But yeah, what can you use that won't mess up the tile though?
Goof off. It'll slide right up. Nigga out here getting trash. Fucking bored.
Where you say you seen the trash outside that?
They took it.
No, they took it.
You see?
What's going on?
Why they paint the diamond blue, man? It's supposed to be white.
I just did it. I just did it like that.
Oh no, I want it to be white.
I know. You told me you wanted what? I just want to get you mad. Hey, you see the windows?
No, I ain't even look.
Brand new. With screens and everything.
I see. They're probably not gonna fit my house.
Oh yeah, they fit.
How you know?
Anthony.
What's up?
Well, you know we've been some, and when you have a lot of experience in this, you know they fit. You know how much these bundles they go for?
Like 30, I don't know. I forget.
They go for 45 plus tax, almost $50 each bundle.
Right. How many bundles?
You got like 12, 13.
This is 13 bundles?
No, this only like 10 over here.
Oh, where the rest of this stuff?
Over there, the crib.
Where?
In my house.
Oh.
They didn't fit. And I got like 2-3 bags
You know why?
of plumbing.
Because you got rid of the van.
No, the van is still in my house.
You brought it up. It wouldn't fit in the van.
You didn't want to buy the van. You could buy it for your son. He could drive it. He could go pick up the material.
He's 14.
It don't matter.
You don't have a license.
It don't matter. Hey, why didn't you start driving?
14.
You had a license? No. You see?
I was a criminal.
Well, anyways, you was driving at that age.
I know how to drive though. He don't.
Go teach him.
I'll see what I can do. I'll see what I can do, my friend. I gotta get this back. The Vincent,
And the Ferrari?
and the yeah. What we gonna do about the edge? Oh yeah, you told me, never mind.
Chaval, abájate unas bolsas allá.
The grout is gonna be out here. Gonna be the platinum, and then there is gonna be the tan.
Okay.
The which one? This one, just out here, gray one.
Mm-hmm.
3 bags and 2 bags.
Okay.
Okie dokie. That's good. I like it.
So this wall, what kind of tile are you gonna do?
Same one.
Same one. So we're gonna have a line right here,
That's what the shooter for, yeah.
No, this look. Okay, yeah. And what about this wall?
Same thing. It's gonna be all this.
No. Well, I cut the whole water from the whole house. We don't got no water.
I tried, it didn't work. Kept spinning.
You gotta learn something from me. You don't learn it.
Oh, my bad. I forgot who I was talking to, Mr. The Daddy. You don't know how to do the salsa dance.
Yeah, something different.
I know, that's what I do. I'm a different kind of designer. And then I got the light. You see the light in the mirror?
Yes, sir.
And the vanity? That's what I do, you feel me? Alright, let me go see if this key works, man.
Okay, let me know if they open. Rocket, go and drop everything off.
Yeah, we go by liberal first, get the door from over there, and then bye. Man, it is cold today. I think it's like 20, 15 or something crazy. Ah, man. Almost done up in here. Kind of, sort of. Looking good. What y'all think? Got that blue accent wall. It ain't done yet though, cause I'm gonna put do my thing to it. I don't know what yet, but this one too. I'll do something fly on there. Still thinking. Okay. Looking good. Just gotta get changed to GFCI. Got the cord moved over here. It's looking good.